Lord. There is something about your name I just can't explain. Something about your name, hey, makes me wonder. Oh, but so God, Lord, you are just too much for me.
Deji Okoya Thomas, DOT, as is known by his friends, the scion of the illustrious Okoya Thomas family of Lagos State, joined the growing number of those in the Golden League on Sunday, 5th of February 2017. Incidentally, the day coincided with the first Sunday of the month, usually set aside for Thanksgiving at his church, the New Generation Baptist Church, Agidingbi, Ikeja, Lagos. It is safe to say that the day has been specially ordained by the divine intervention of God and sanctioned by Reverend Austin Omomia of the New Generation Baptist Church, Agidingbi, Ikeja, Lagos, who presided over the church service in company of other clergymen. The service, which saw the golden boy Deji Okoya Thomas heavily supported by his children, sisters, their spouses, the enlarged Okoya Thomas, Bedabiamila and more families, as well as friends and well-wishers from within and beyond Nigeria, began with a rendition of a special song by the choir of the New Generation Baptist Church, Agidingbi, Ikeja, Lagos. It was singing and dancing all the way. The highlight of the service included a Thanksgiving session, which involved all those born in the month of February, led by Deji Okoya Thomas, his children, sisters, friends, and other members of the church. It was hearty singing and dancing all the way. Reverend Austin Omomia in the sermon congratulated the celebrant for attaining a milestone age of 50 in very, very good health. He urged Nigerians to come to terms with forming of synergies where people can leverage on the strength of one another to make a success of any enterprise they're involved in. Reverend Austin Omomia stated that people should learn to build trust among one another.
Why are you pursuing it alone? That may be why you have not been able to attain success. Why are you just fighting alone? It may be you need the support of someone else. Why not begin to request, as you share this vision, mobilize other resources? Solomon knew clearly that he didn't have everything, all the material resources and human resources, to make that dream a reality. And then he went and called for assistance from the king of Tyre. You need to share together, and then you need to also mobilize. You need the right quality of people. We should get to the time, if we are going to make our dreams work, where you and I must not be carried away by sentiments.
The celebrant, his children, siblings, their spouses and friends joined the massive Thanksgiving session as the choir of the New Generation Baptist Church, Agidingbi, Ikeja, Lagos, turned on the heat of their artistry in the realms of music presentations, and everyone just blended with them. his response, the golden boy, Deji Okoya Thomas, recounted a string of close shave with death situations that God has miraculously saved him from over the years. The birthday boy said his joy is full because all his children have made him a very happy person. He capped the response with a special donation for the improvement of his church, the New Generation Baptist Church, Agitingbi, Ikeja, Lagos.
How do I start to thank God? Is it by being alive today? Those who know me know that close to 17 or 18 years ago, I was shot by armed robbers. I'm alive today. A bullet was removed from my body, close to my heart. I have been in a car that somersaulted. I came out, did not spend 1 minute in hospital. Is it the blessings of God in my businesses? He has blessed me. I can't complain. Is it His blessings with my children? Who am I to complain? I have a wonderful family. My immediate family, my sisters, my cousins, the love we share together, my aunties, my uncles. It is just too much as I celebrate this wonderful day. Celebration will never cease in each and every one of us. We shall enjoy the dividends of our labor. We shall experience the blessings of God. We shall only know peace, and we shall never know the arrow of the enemy.
The Renaissance Hotel in the GRA area of Lagos State was the venue for the reception for Deji Okoya Thomas's Golden Jubilee Anniversary celebration. The birthday boy couldn't have asked for a better audience mix, which was an admixture of all generations. Among them were friends of the celebrant, Deji Okoya Thomas's late parents in their 80s, like Prince Samuel Adedoyin, Chief Mrs. Gbajabiamila, and Mrs. Toyin Olakunrin. Those in the generation of the 70s and above were the likes of Princess Abba Folawiyo, Chief Mrs. Ireti Asemuta, Mrs. Gwen Nwachukwu. Those who stole the show big time were friends of the celebrant from different spheres of life who simply completely overwhelmed and shocked Deji Okoya Thomas with a stunning turnout. They, by this gesture, have made a very instructive statement which will be relevant at all times, that friends should not count the cost or mind the distance to show friendship. Deji Okoya Thomas's friends broke all the rules to give him a resounding Golden Jubilee Anniversary birthday party. They include Kweku Tando, Senator Tokunbo Afikuyomi, the chairman of the Federal Inland Revenue Service (FIRS), Mr. Babatunde Fowler, and his wife, sports marketing guru Rotimi Pedro and Kola James, Honorable Jumoke Okoya Thomas, Mrs. Tosi Bakari, and Mrs. Yinka Taiwo played the role of big, dependable sisters to Deji Okoya Thomas. And to add royal value to the equation was the presence of His Imperial Majesty, the Oni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, Ojaja II, who was there with his wife, Olori Wurola Ogunwusi. Deji Okoya Thomas enjoyed total unequivocal support from members of the Lagos Lawn Tennis Club, which his father, Sir Molade Okoya Thomas, contributed immeasurably to its growth. Members of the club who were there in encouraging numbers were led by the president of the club, Barrister Rotimi Edu, the vice president, Prince Gbenga Lufadeju, and others. The event had a very long drawn-out video and photo session, which saw the celebrant and a wide range of friends, associates, admirers, and family members interact and socialize in a convivial manner before the event was put in motion. BJ Sachs welcomed Deji Okoya Thomas, his children, siblings, and others into the hall, as everyone also danced along with them. The very well-attended Golden Jubilee Anniversary Party of Deji Okoya Thomas was themed strongly around simply having fun, and the event was characterized in the main by presentation of jokes by some new on-the-scene comedians who seemed to have gelled with the audience in the way they flowed with them.
Daddy, your children will do exploit.
One of you expo.
Exploit.
Daddy was intelligent. One will expo.
Mommy,
Graduate, mommy.
I have a word for you.
I best look up man.
The enemy wants your destiny crush.
I don't know why you want to play Candy Crush.
Candy what?
Game in Candy Crush. Game.
But mommy, you see, when your humility will bring you an exclusive breakthrough.
Humility at exclusive followed by mix last song.
Oh, you will dance like David dance.
I heard joke on you. David don't do any in the Bible. David dance any in the Bible.
Daddy and mommy, you will go in peace.
Ni tole man.
Please, a round of applause for them one more time.
A round of applause.
The celebrant and others spent valuable time dancing to both contemporary and old school music, with the DJ pumping up the volume. The main items at the event were the cutting of the Golden Jubilee Anniversary cake by the celebrant, joined by the Oni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Enito Ogunwusi, and his wife.
Give me a J! J! E! S! U! S! And that is Jesus! May you always be with you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
This was followed by a very long stretch of video and photo session with the celebrant and virtually everyone at the event. It was a very fascinating sight to behold.
There's been so many things that's held us down, but now it looks like things are finally coming around. I know we've got a long, long way to go, and where we'll end up, I don't know. But we don't let nothing hold us back. We're put to be held down anymore. Woo! Don't you let me. Ain't no stopping us now. We've got the groove. Ain't no stopping us now. I know.
The toast of the birthday boy was ably proposed, and everyone asked to raise a glass to celebrate Deji Okoya Thomas, DOT.
I'm a shadow, never grow dim. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip.
In his response, the celebrant, Deji Okoya Thomas, thanked God for considering him worthy of such uncommon grace to be 50 and loaded with meaningful testimonies, which he promised to cherish forever. He once again extended his heartfelt gratitude to all those who have made it a day to remember for him all his life, from his friends, family members, immediate and extended, and indeed everyone. Deji Okoya Thomas again thanked God for blessing him with children who have made him proud both academically and in the way they serve God.
Who has made this day possible? It's been a long journey. 50 years is a long journey in a man's life. I thank him I look at the mirror once in a while and I do a self-appraisal of my life. There are one or two things I wish I could have done. There are one or two things I wish I could have done differently. But whichever way, I say thanks to God. Because for all He has done, for His protection over my life, for continually granting me good health, for being my Lord and Savior, I say thank you to Him at all times. To God be the glory.
The Oni of Ife, His Imperial Majesty Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi Ojaja II, presented a special plaque to the celebrant.
Kábíyèsí o, kádé pẹ́ lórí kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀, ìrùkẹ̀rẹ̀, àdàbẹ̀rẹ̀ á tún máa pọ̀ sí. Kábíyèsí o.
BUS correspondents spoke to a wide range of respondents about the celebrant, and they all praised Deji Okoya Thomas as one who has carried the name of the family with a lot of pride and dignity. All agreed that Deji Okoya Thomas treats friendship with a lot of respect, and that was why all his friends and everyone went all out to celebrate him as he turned 50.
Perfect gentleman. What can I say? Now to wish him many more years in good health, and I pray that the good Lord will grant him his heart desire. And tonight, I remember his old man, a very good man, a perfect gentleman, a well-respected man, and I pray that may God bless his soul.
The event, which had all along been very heavy on music, also ended on a note of hearty dancing, and the celebrant Deji Okoya Thomas remained on his feet for a very long time. From Biscon Communications, it's hearty congratulations to the new golden boy. And here's a heartfelt note of apology from the chairman and CEO of Biscon Communications, Prince Bisi Olatilo, for his conspicuous but inadvertent absence at the event, as he was held up in Ikperu Remo in Ogun State, at the invitation of Sir Kessington Adebutu, a program which happened simultaneously at the same time to which he had earlier been committed. May God bless the celebrant with many more successes in life. Amen.